Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can add mods to Mod Organizer 2. So let's get right into it. I will be using Fallout 4 as an example. However, this works for each and every game that uses Mod Organizer 2. So without further ado, let me get into the actual meat and potatoes, let's say. As you can see, I have a bunch of mods installed here in my downloads tab, and the way you do it this way is by actually connecting your mod organizer to the Nexus. You do that by going up top. You have a wrench and a screwdriver icon, which is pretty much the depending on the skin, it might be something different. You can choose other skins for mod organizer. However, this one is the basic one is a wrench and a screwdriver. It is the far right icon in the top left, and just select that and you'll get this window. Just go to the Nexus tab, make sure to connect to Nexus. It will ask for your credentials, your login credentials for Nexus. Just enter them and you'll be then connected to Nexus. You can disconnect afterwards if you need to fix something or refresh something. Make sure that you associate your download links, download with manager links, and click this button, and then any mod you download via the manager from the Nexus site will be automatically downloaded here, and by double clicking you will install it, and by just taking it off, that is how you activate it. If you wish to manually install through Mod Organizer 2, if you download an archive, what you want to do is here in the top left, which is, as you can see here, you will be able to click the second icon from the left. In this case, it is a box with a disk. Click on that. It basically says install mod from archive, or a new mod from archive. Just click on that. Click on any mod that you might like to add. Click OK, and then it'll be added to this list just like in any other mod. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.